Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Teams stuck on working, improve Microsoft Teams performance. First method is click Settings. Click General. Check Disable GPU hardware acceleration requires restarting Teams. Second method is click Start, click Outlook. Click File, Options. Click Add-ins. Click Go under COM Add-ins. If any entries like Microsoft Teams, uncheck it. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %app data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Open Microsoft folder. Open Teams folder. Open Blob Storage folder, delete all files. Open Cache folder, delete all files. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Teams, click End Task. Open IndexedDB, delete all files. Open GPU cache, delete all files. Open databases, delete all files. Open local storage, delete all files. Open TMP folder, delete all files. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.